say?
What can I say? Eminent comedian, 13 December, Enugu State, Lapita.
PM every last Friday of the month is a time we set aside to celebrate art, to celebrate the beauty of culture, and to celebrate Africanness, and also to celebrate uniqueness as well. And guess what? It's another time for us to do this over and over again. Hope you are ready. What's popping, guys? Welcome to NKA Lounge right here on Afia TV, the November edition. And it promises to be a bang, bang, bang as always. Now, my guest today on the show is someone who actually breathes music for a living. Yes, when I say breathes music, everything about this man is nothing but music. No wonder he is called teacher, otherwise known as Rabbai, which basically means teacher. So yes, he teaches music as well. So are you ready to be schooled by the best and the best? He goes by the name Emmanuel Emmanuel, otherwise known as Rabbai, a singer, guitarist, songwriter, a teacher, and a whole lot more. Now, this is not just about music. It's music and storytelling at its finest. So stay tuned as we entertain you as always. Guys, I am your host. My name is Choco Ani, and I don't do nothing loco because I always stay fly like I'm supposed to. So if you're ready, yes, coming up next, we'll have a diary session, a quick one with our guest on the show today. And then he gets to perform his first 3 songs of the night. Get ready, and big ups to you wherever you are tuned in from right about now. If you are watching on DStv, GOtv, or FreeTV, big shout outs to you. Or if you're listening live on 99.3 Afia Radio, then you are the real MVP as well. One thing I know for sure is that tonight is going to be the time of your life. So if you're ready, ladies and germs, let's make welcome our guest artist for the night, the one and the only Rabbai. Welcome to the show, guys. So if you're ready, then let's vibe.
From Tansia University, Anambra. That was years ago. I currently work at Godfrey University. Okay, good evening, my people. I am Mr. Rabbai. Okay, my name is Ezanyim Soporuchuku, but then I'm popularly called Rabbai. That's my stage name. I'm a musician. I'm a music lover. I studied political science from Tansia University, Anambra. That was years ago. I currently work at Godfrey University. I'm a guitarist. I'm a songwriter. I'm a singer. Yeah, I'm a music instructor. And above all, I'm a church boy. Okay, so this evening, I will be trailing you with series of songs I wrote. I see music as a means of expression. Yeah, I love to give rhythm to my thoughts and express it in a rhythmical pattern. So the first song you'll be hearing this night is titled Gibuchi, Gibuchuku. That was me pledging allegiance to God that Even though there might be distractions here and there might be things here and there claiming to grant favors, but my allegiance is to him alone. And that is me indirectly telling the world that this is where I belong. Go now, here I day. Yeah. Then my second song is titled Ose. Ose. Ose means pepper. It's a love song, it's a love story gone bad. You know, sometimes people you would rather be with would rather be somewhere else or with someone else. That's what the song is talking about. And the song is a prayer. It says, Chukwu ekwekwana ka onye m na-anwụlụ na-anwụlụ onye ọzọ. Yeah. Because ọ na-afụ ka ose. Yeah. So my third song is titled Onye Nkuzi. Onye Nkuzi. Onye Nkuzi is a prayer. That is me saying, Kuzielu m onye nkuzi, ka nghọta na ije ụwa bụ emelike ọnya. Teach me, O teacher, so that I may understand that I can only do the much I can do. Yes, it is a song that talks about pains and sorrows and struggles that you face when you're trying to rise in life. But at the end of the day, you can only do the much you can do. So that is it. Thank you.
Yeah.
Ike di n'elu di n'ụwa n'oburu Chuku kelondo kalilindu onye merugu ka ugwu dị elu Chuku kele anyanwụ bụ ife onye kelu mmiri emika anọ m na nrọ fasi m bịa ka ije fabọrọ m gbagonu n'elu ugwu wee gosi m mma ụwa na ebube ya wesị m ife ndị ya ka ị ga-enye gị sọsọ m ịkpọ isi ala nye mana riwe enye na m riwe enye na m ribe enye na m riwe enye na m onye nwere ife kalili Chukwu riwe enye ego ahụ karịrị enyekwala m ya nwa ahụ karịrị enyela m maka gị bụ Chukwu gị kere mmadụ gị mere elu n'ala sọsọ gị nwa ka m ga-akpọrọ isi ala nye ofufe Yahweh Sabaoth gị bụ Chukwu gị kere mmadụ gị mere elu n'ala sọsọ gị nwa ka m ga-akpọrọ isi ala nye Yahweh Sabaoth sọ gị gị mere elu n'ala sọsọ gị nwa ka m ga-akpọrọ isi ala nye Yahweh Sabaoth sọsọ gị gị mere elu n'ala sọsọ gị nwa ka m ga-akpọrọ isi ala nye Yahweh sọ gị bụ I pledge my allegiance to you Yahweh gị mere elu na sọsọ gị nwa ka m ga-akpọrọ isi ala nye Yahweh Sabaoth sọsọ gị nwa ka m ga-akpọrọ isi ala nye Yahweh Sabaoth is the Rabbai what could be stronger than pain or same loving someone who loves someone else. Agwalumnya, give me example of frustration. Or say ino no wita chuwanyi maluma. Makabala kazani onye jiji anakonye oanaga. Kana fusi eba nechi ozo kabeba na luagu. Kifunugo ebonye jiobaga. Nonye buvenza na zofu asazo. Mayorom chineke. Siya pape kwe kwala. Konye mna ngulu nyozo. Ayorom chineke. Siya pape kwe kwala. Konye mnemelu nyozo. Makona fukose. Makona fukose. Abaka juive na taro. If your woman is beautiful, abozi kwene yankemo, igana boya adora. Makobulu nenyigi wanye maloma okwi malugo. You could be practicing democratic system of girlfriend, that is girlfriend of the people, by the people and for the people. Makanonya gwara marala. Okwo kenye gwalumu osinife na bonebu nwoke. Nwoka nwuge bona chuego ya nwone bona chuasa. Mana chime kwe kwala kamchota Delilah. Na me kwe kwala kamchoto nye gabumisi. Okwa nemelu mwanyo nemelu nye diamanobi. Maife kalili munelu ayabya kwala. Ayorom chineke. Siya pape kwe kwala. Konye mna ngulo nyozo. Ayorom chineke. Siya pape kwe kwala. Konye mnemelu nyozo. Makona fukose. Makona fukose. Makona fuka. Oh, say. Makona fuka. Oh, say. Many, many times I try to be the best I can be, to do the best I can do. Mano chucho ne fame kwekwa. Truly I want to be the best man. Abaka impress asa. Sometimes it seems to me that humans don't really care. Makapicha kumambu ya chono we, abakwa boba to otono we, kamjua mobo we kapialako. Ijenu makanke wele go bu brother Ben, mankene wele go bu Benji, okwanke wele go bu musician, mango wenye ne bunu guitar, akogale nozo, mana kuzieremo onye nkuzi, kuzieremo onye nkuzi, kanwata ni juwa bu onye melike ahona, asim kuzieremo onye nkuzi, kuzieremo Tani Joa, Buonye Merik, Ungwa Kuzieremo. Yeah! Can I hear somebody? Kuzieremo. Oh, Kuzieremo. Kuzi, Tani Joa, Buonye Merik, Ahona. Till you do pass yourself, brother. Erera isini sigi nabano. Cheta kwa nonye bura somewhere. Asaga no konyo zechi. Ke impress ye Delilah, impress ye Delilah. Afuzi agobani si odogu. Truly, truly it hurts me. Now my best is not enough. Ogine kwa no kangebe. Kanjiri wa yo bebere nuchuku. Makana picha kumambo ya chono. Anabakwa boba to otono we kamjua mobo we kapialako. Ijenu makake wele go bu brother Ben, makene wele go bu Benji, okwanke wele go bu musician, mango wenye nebu onyo bona. Kuzieremo, kuzieremo, kanwata ni jua buonye meri, ungwa kuzieremo. Joa, buonye merike, kuzieremo, kuzieremo, onye kuzi, kuzieremo, kanwatani joa, buonye merike. Apicha kubambo tuono we, abakwa boba toya tuono we, kamjua no bogwe kapialako, ijenu. Ebe ni madone chalanya, buonye gali jenenu mili. Onye na bonite kunu nde molamu. My case bobelo kununu. Makake wele go bu brother Ben. Kene wele go bu Benji. Kene wele go bu musician. Go wele bunu guitar. Wakuzieremo, kuzieremo, onye kuzi, kuzieremo, onye kuzi. Kanwata ni jua, onye merike, kuzieremo. Tani Joa, oye merike, kuzieremo, oye kuzi, kanwa tani Joa, oye merike, kuzieremo, kanwa tani Joa, oye merike aona.
Sheraton. One-stop restaurant for breakfast, continental, local, and intercontinental cuisines. Located at 7 Chime Avenue, New Haven, Enugu, Nigeria. Open Sheraton. Best food out of home.
Every generation tells its story in a new way. Ours is told through rhythm, through the beats that became the language, and fashion and freedom as well. Nigerian music has always been more than sound. It has been how we understand who we are. This December, Pop Central Culture Space brings back 70 years of music in Nigeria with a new chapter, Afrobeats to the world. Over 37 artists, came together to imagine how sound has shaped us and how we in turn have shaped the world. We're not just showing art, we're archiving memory. Every brush, every stroke, every sculpture, every print is a living document of our shared culture. Join us from December 1st to 30th at Pop Central Culture Space. If you're in Lagos this December and didn't visit 70 YMN, you didn't experience Dirty December. This is where music becomes memory. See you in December.
This fourth song is titled Kedefe na Dole Aka. It simply means, why are you drawing it? Why are you pulling at it? It's a song that talks about decency in dressing. I was addressing a young girl who came out with a short gown, and then she keeps drawing it as she moves. And I was wondering, on a maro, don't you know the cloth was this way before you came out with it? So it's a song that talks about decency, because whatever you sow is what you reap. You attract what you dress like. Okay, this fifth song is titled Nkiruka. Nkiruka is a song of hope. It simply says that the future is greater, that the future is brighter. So Nkiruka is a song that says that even though I have been beaten by rain and the sun the sunshine has really dealt with me. And there are foes here and there, but the future, I know, is brighter. In the midst of confusion, in the midst of distress, Nkiruka.
What are you doing? What are you doing? On a maron audio to away Iliaputa. Kimuchilanya. You know, you can be pretty and decent. Each and a decency old school. Each and gigana bachila kwa. Ikwado sizia we putanozo. He got one step, he got two steps, doyaka. Imuchilanya we chilia inye chuoma licha kedifina doro yaka oni maro we iriakaba ifonye kurunelua kogagoro onye barankwa ho singwere diara yugo chuoma licha kedifina doro yaka oni maro iriakaba ifonye kurunelua kogagoro onye barakwao singwe yara yugo. Let me hear you. So esu ananofia baby girl idi menyi di kwa mono makamburo onye kuru n'elu akogagoro ukwu na-agawa nwa mwelu kwa nije nwayo maka gini anya na-agawa nwa mmekili kwa iji anya giga na bachila kwa ikwado sisi awe putanozo adama iga one step oga two steps idoyaka kapjo imuchilanya wechilia ine tuomanicha kebifina doluya omakagini onimaro iriakaba ifonye kurunelua kogagoro onye barakwao singwere omalicha edifina doluya onimaro weyagaba ifonye kulunelua kogagoro onye barakwao singwere doyaka Omalicha imuchilanya wechilia ine Omalicha Edifina doroya Onimaro Iriagaba Ifonye kurune luwa kogagoro Onye barakwa singwe Omalicha Edifina Adozide Onimaro Iriagaba Ifonye kurune luwa kogagoro Onye barakwa singwere Wajuo malicha Edifina Doluyaka Koni maro Wehiriagaba Ifonye kulune luwa kogagoro Onye barankwa singwere Biara yugo Juo malicha Edifina Doluyaka Koni maro Wehiriagaba Ifonye kulune luwa kogagoro Onye barankwa singwere biara yugo By the sun, Namili Maramo, I want Charamo, Ilodino Sobo, Manakiruka, Namili Maramo, I want Charamo, Ilodino Sobo. I refuse to be. I don't wanna give up. I don't wanna give up. I don't wanna give up broken down time and day again, and when you rise up, there is this unseen force that pulls you down again. It is a konye kwebus of alato, oh my forget mercy. Jebe jeba de mana bana bade mana chimwanya makana diochi kosia ifanya ya fulu obama mo. Ifanya mufugelu nelua na boime kosoya na pi somo manakiruka.
Open Sheraton. One-stop restaurant for breakfast, continental, local, and intercontinental cuisines. Located at 7 Chime Avenue, New Haven, Enugu, Nigeria. Open Sheraton. Best food out of home.
How markets? This na the question women market people go answer on every How Market episode on Afia TV.
For years, in fact, I've spent decades doing the business. I schooled through this business.
As you can see my shop, I am a marketer of fiber.
Hello, How Market?
Fine.
Fine. How much?
We have made it our mission to promote smaller businesses in the southeast region of Nigeria, Makana Obuife Jimaraye. So when we ask how markets, it's because we embrace that spirit of enterprise.
My name na Market Pikin. When you hear How Market, you say you don't meet the Market Pikin. And How Market is Afia TV original program where they dedicated to empowering small and medium-scale businesses inside Southeast and South-South region of Nigeria. Every weekday, 11:30 a.m. on Afia TV channel 254, on DStv, and on GOtv channel 17. Let's meet, let's connect on How Market.
An expert analysis on women's health, as well as giving you a guide to healthy living. Join me every Wednesday and Saturday on Gyna Plus as we delve into these issues, only on Afia TV.
Ndi Enugu, welcome to the covers political matters in Enugu State, Nigeria. If you're interested in conversations about governance or politics, Enugu Kwenu is the place to be every Wednesday at 4 p.m. exclusively on Afia TV, DStv channel 254 and GOtv channel 17.
Here on the Eastern Arc, our sights are set on the political, social and economic developments around us, from Enugu to Umuahia, from Port Harcourt to Owerri, from Aba to Abakaliki, from Oka to Asaba, and down to Uyo. We'll bring you the views, previews and analyses of people who make the news in and around the region. The Eastern Eye provides an opportunity for those in the Southeast to have their voice, to find their voice, share their voice. The Eastern Eye, the Southeast window to the rest of the world.
Start your day with your daily mix of business, lifestyle, and culture originating from the southeastern part of Nigeria.
Should we be exempting small businesses from taxes?
How do you feel about guys who do attachment or braid their hair or wear earrings?
It's a generational problem. A lot of young people feel, I think I know it, if I could Google it, I don't need to be mentored.
Originating from the southeastern part of Nigeria. If you're interested in views, opinions, arguments, discussions about national issues, then the AM show is the place to be. If you also would love to know what happens around the eastern part of Nigeria, then you do not want to miss this show Monday through Friday, 8 a.m. to 10 a.m. exclusively on Afia TV.
Here at Afia TV News, we are intentional about the things we put together for your consumption. If it answers the basic news questions of where, when, how, and who, then we got you. Whether it is breaking news or stories around you, here we are intentional about news reportage, tailor-made just for you. Afia TV News. News today, news tonight, news all the time.
Across the world, women are not just participating, they are transforming industry. Behind every success story, there is a vision, and behind every breakthrough, there is a woman who refuses to give up, turning challenges into opportunities and proving that there is no limit as to what they can achieve. My name is Marvelous Akwamada. Join us every Wednesday at 6:30 p.m. right here on Afia Television to explore stories of these powerful women in the business world across the country.
This is
Wale, ọkwa na ụgbọ bụ ụwa Chukwu, mana ọkwa ife ogbe a bụ ogbe anyị. Ka ife na-eme n'ogbe gị.
Inside, ọkụ adọrọ, and the mmiri adọrọ.
Mana ebe a adịcha mma n'abalị. Ị na-aga jidesie fonu gị ike, jidesie ike maka ịnụ ifu ka ibe gị na-agba ọsị narịsibe ike.
This is ogbe, that is what we do right here. Every week we spotlight different ogbe. And also celebrate people from the street. These are my guys. These are my people. What I go? Like men, where men. One day, this is what we do right here. Don't forget that we are live on every Thursday by 1 p.m. You want to go? Tune to channel 254 on DStv and channel 17 on GOtv. It's an Afia affair. You want to go? It's an Ubu affair. One day.
Welcome back. It's NKA Lounge right here on Afia TV, the November edition with, of course, Rabbai. Hope you are getting yourself refreshed by Amstel Malta, or with Amstel Malta, rather. Tastes so good. And big ups to Amstel Malta, our official sponsor of NKA Lounge this edition. Meanwhile, if you're wondering how we are looking this good and this fly, well, big ups to my man, Ubuntu Elite Styles, who put me on and got me looking like this. Some person say I look like Kanayo, but that's the idea. I mean, why wouldn't you want to look like a big man? Come on. All right, so while we wait for Rabbi to get ready for his next performance, we'll be going around. I mean, if you look around, you see exactly what's happening. This is more like the behind the scenes. This is exactly what goes down when we are on a break. I mean, we sit down, we chillax, we have fun. You know, look at this one sitting like this, and they are shocked that the camera is coming on them. Okay, it's all good. And then, so you see our beautiful audience who are seated here. And I mean, I just stumbled upon this man. If you know this man, you know. If you don't know him, then you don't know him. But then just know that he is that guy. So I won't... you know, there's a way you introduce someone and the person be like, why you go cast me like that? So let him introduce himself by himself. Good evening, sir.
Yeah, good evening.
How are you doing, sir?
I'm good.
What's your name, sir?
Uchokoye.
Uchokoye, what do you do, sir?
I'm a CEO of a media company. Yeah, and of course, record label.
Of course. Okay, so he does so many things for a living. So Uchokoye, tell me, how are you feeling tonight?
Wow, I can't. Words cannot be enough to describe how I'm feeling, but just know that I'm enjoying myself. Yeah.
Okay, thank you very much. Aside Uchokoye, let's look around and see everybody's hiding their face. You know, go walk. I go to where I want to go. It's not your business. I don't care. So look at our dancer. So she's changed and now looking the other way around. How you doing?
I'm fine.
What's the name?
Oma. That's my name.
Oma is your stage name?
Yes.
What's your biological name?
Obi Diegu, Mary Joy, Chioma.
Only you. All right, so how does it feel?
I feel so good. I mean, this is like my first time performing live, and yeah.
How long have you been dancing?
Since when I was little.
When you were little, you were dancing inside your mama belly? Yes. So dancing as a profession, you think it's something you would want to continue doing, or it's something you could tell your kids to actually do?
Yes. I would encourage my kids to do it, and it's also something I would like to do on the side. Yeah, apart from my career path. I mean, I studied marketing in the University of Nigeria, Enugu campus, so it's like my side also. Yeah, and I will encourage anybody to do it.
So you're more or less like a marketing dancer.
Yeah.
So how long have you known Rabbai?
I just met Rabbi actually, and I listened to his song the first time they sent it to me, and it's bang. Yeah, the song is a very good writer and a very good singer.
And I tell you what, you're a very good dancer as well.
Thank you.
Okay, so many beautiful people in the house tonight, and okay, sweetheart, how you doing, bros? No verse, no question I want to ask. Before you look me, you can't say, see this guy, you're dressed like this. You know, when you go to a club and you see one man just dressed like this, come meet your babe, say, tell me, what you go there your mind?
Nothing much.
Talk true. Oh. How you doing there?
I'm fine.
What's the name?
Angel.
Angel. Angel, how you feeling tonight?
I'm feeling good. I love the vibe. Yes.
If you were to rate his performance so far on a scale of 1 to 10, what would it be?
A 10 over 10.
A 10 over 10, she says. So can we have a round of applause? 10 over 10. It's no small feat whatsoever. Okay. All right. So, I mean, everyone came out to have fun and to vibe. Bros, what's up?
AIDA.
Are you bros or are you babe? Because I'm confused. You look, I would have said handsome, but since you look like a lady, so I would say you look beautifully handsome.
I mean, a guy. How fun.
Okay, you be guy?
Yes, now.
Like real guy?
Now for you.
Full guy?
Now for you. You don't want me.
So what's the name?
My name is Heavenly.
Heavenly?
Yes.
Lovely name. Heavenly, how are you feeling tonight?
I'm feeling good and I'm happy to be here.
Yeah. Rate the performance so far on a scale of 1 to 10.
Okay, the moment I walked in, I told someone that I worked in with. I told him that I know this guy from somewhere, but I was thinking I didn't kind of like remember his name. But Rabbai is someone that I connect to, and I love the whole performance and the vibe. So it's a 10 for me.
A 10 for you. Big ups to you, and thank you for coming out. Okay, so we're still NKA Lounge right here on Afia TV, the November edition, with, of course, Rabbai. And if you think we are just, hitting you up, well, brace up, because it's about to bang, 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 even better than you ever would think it should be. Okay, so coming up next, let's get straight back into it. Rabbai is ready with our next performance on the day. But before then, go get yourself an Amstel Malta and feel the goodness. It's back to Rabbai.
As I lift up my eyes, the sun seems to be moody. The air tastes sandy and sad. Ona fumu funobi, manonye kwano kanga koro. No se abala profete na nyime moya. Mbo atuola dike nobi Chukwu okike igwe enafukwa. Some are getting interview, why some are getting life sentence plus 20 something. Bia oh bia 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 oh Chegini Chukwu. Okwa gị ka ị na-abọ. O nwekwanụ mgbe ike mmadụ ji akara ike Chukwu. People leave their homes, they go to your house to worship you. Ọnwụ abịa. Mbo ebu fano loge Mfebenelu nzeberu plane crash Mbaba na ala nzeberu ndinto Ole ihe ngeme Ego mjiego bu generator Kamjiego zi power bank Chim biao Kamchizia kuzia kanozo chukwu okike bia o bia Egeji Awabu Foundation Kamporo Chikonyonye Gent maka ụgwọ ụlọ Chim Igabankiti Neno na the bone of my bone and the flesh of my flesh Choribuzimu with billing Chukwu okike Bia o bia Some are getting interview Why some are getting life sentence plus 20 something Bia o bia 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 o Bankiti Bia Chukwu okike Bia 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 Chukwu okike Bia Fumu funobi manonye kwano kanga koro no se abala profeti na nyime moya ego njego bu generator kamjego zi so power bank Chukwu okike igwe Igabankiti Neno na the bone of my bone and the flesh of my flesh Choribuzi mebu with ojentuke Chimo bia Some are getting interview Mba chola dike no Bia years long ago, when I was an infant, I was free and alone, sleeping in the womb of my mom as my home, living free from stress and no pains I don't know. Truly, truly, when I was only a child, my world was only happy, so gentle and mild. I never knew that life was not so sweet and kind, till my little years passed away like the night. Little baby, if only you know what you will see when you grow. I think you will wish to grow. You wish to remain a child. Cause I remember those times when I was only a boy, playing with life like toy, but those days are gone. So I wish that incidents will come when I was only a boy, when I was free and young. Truly, truly, I wish, just like Adam and Eve, to live again in Eden. I wish I'm still a child. I wish that incidents will come when I was only a boy, when I was free and young. Truly, truly, I wish, just like Adam and Eve, to live again in Eden. I wish I'm still a child. I used to play with my mama, sitting innocently at the feet of my papa, running around naked, ignoring clothes and rapper, lying down calmly as I've taken my supper. But now I've known life has so much to offer. It's feeling ups and down, I can smile, I can suffer. Suddenly like lightning flash and the thunder, pleasures come and go, and sometimes I just wonder, little baby, if only you know what you will see. I think you will wish to grow. I remember those times when I was only a boy, playing with life like toy, but those days are gone. So I wish that incidents will come when I was only a boy, when I was free and young. Truly, truly, I wish, just like Adam and Eve, to live again in Eden. I wish I'm still a child. My camera, I'm not unbreakable water. I never suffered that break. Unbreakable water. I'm a kwanomi fana kodes yoku na fagwalomo ni fokenye no na nafu. Okenye ligogo dune no sisi fagwaromo ni fokenye no na nafu. Mwatari gogo de no sisi no mamfumu yanya. Mana agwalo mfasi ni fe mwatakili jina itelo weme. Okenye jide go do iPhone 15 o mame muya. I wish that incidents will come when I was only a boy, when I was free and young. Truly, truly, I wish, just like Adam and Eve, to live again in Eden. I wish I'm still a child. Thank you.
Open Sheraton. one-stop restaurant for breakfast, continental, local, and intercontinental cuisines. Located at 7 Chime Avenue, New Haven, Enugu, Nigeria. Open Sheraton. Best food out of home.
This is Wale, ọkwa na ụwa bụ ụwa Chukwu, mana ọkwa ife ogbe a bụ ogbe anyị. Ka ife na-eme n'ogbe gị.
This side, ọkụ adọrọ, and the mmiri adọrọ.
Mana ebe a adịcha mma n'abalị. Ị na-aga jidesie foonu gị ike, jidesie ike maka ịnụ ifu ka ibe gị na-agba ọsị na-arịsibe ike.
This is ogbe, that is what we do right here. Every week we spotlight different ogbe. And also celebrate people from the street. These are my guys. These are my people. What I go? Obwe. Like men. This is what we do right here. Don't forget that we are live on every Thursday by 1 p.m. You want to go? Tune to channel 254 on DStv and channel 17 on GOtv. It's an Afia affair. You want to go? It's an Enugu affair.
As markets begin, I don't show inside the market. And you know what? There are different markets within the region. I mean, the southeast and the south region. And this market, I'm going to bring all the story about them to you. Come on. Welcome. Thank you. How much?
5,000.
The price.
Apart from buying and selling, we still need to tell you stories about these markets.
The place.
The market. The people.
This is The Market. Premieres every Monday by 1 p.m. on Afia TV.
So Lunch Break is all about the music, fun, entertaining, and joystick conversations with your fave celebrities and more. A throwback song of the day and a whole lot more on the show. 2 p.m. to 3 p.m. is the time. It happens every weekday right here on Afia TV. And I am your host with the flows, ladies and germs. You already know. It's the Duck Child from the east side. They call me Choco. We don't do nothing loco because I always stay fly. But I'm supposed to.
Welcome back to the show. Still NKA Lounge right here on Afia TV, the November edition with, of course, Rabbai. Hope you were having fun. Well, brace up. It's about to get even better. Coming up next, there are two songs that I love the most. Now, first off, aside the fact that the first one actually takes us back to the Bible that talks about the Father, the Son, and the carpenter. And also, if you know the Jesus story, then definitely you would know. The title of the song is Unwa Carpenter. And then after that, it takes us through some praise medley. So get ready to dance your way all through the night. By the way, if you're wondering why I'm looking this good, big ups to Ubuntu Elite Styles that got me looking like this. And also got Rabbi looking as fly as he's looking right now. So yeah, you all can go check on Ubuntu Elite Style, the #1 plug to get you looking really, really good. So if you're ready, guys, yes, brace up as we proceed and move on to the next performance of the day by Rabbi doing Unwa Carpenter and the praise medley. If you're ready, let's go.
This 8th song is titled Unwa Carpenter, the carpenter's son. It's a song that says that a prophet is not recognized in his land because it doesn't matter what he does. He is still the carpenter's son. Omekwe numana, okabukwa nwa Joseph nalo carpenter. That is what the song is about. Yeah. So people tend to look down on you. They try to make you small. They try to put you down. They try to trivialize your efforts, your achievements, simply because they know you or because you are available, you are where they see you all the time. It doesn't matter what you do. Na-anyafa in their sight. Joseph na carpenter. Okay, this is the ninth and the final presentation for the night, and it's a praise medley. We are going to dance and dance and dance unto the Lord, whom I have prayed to severally this night. Thank you.
Love to think that something which is far away is better than that which is near, and I don't know why. Many times we think that a bird in the bush is worth more than 1,000 here, and am I wrong? Why? When the gods want to cause a man, they bring his blessings close, so close, right under his nose. Makahamara no mamfoyanya. Makanadiga monya muma nana moloya. Ome kwelu mala okabo mwa Joseph kenalo carpenter na vya mwago. That's what I want to hear. Adiga monya muma nana moloya ome kwelu mala okabu wa Joseph kenalo carpenter na vya mwago. Asina diga monya muma nana moloya ome kwelu mala okabu wa Joseph kenalo carpenter na vya mwago. He could walk up on the sea, he could raise the dead, do whatever he wants. Mome kwelu mahala, okabo wa Joseph, kenaro carpenter, na fiamwago. of the man whose bed you never climbed. The grass seems greener on the other side. They more they see you and hear from you. Not because you are not so gifted, man, just because you are too available. Every day and night, it's only one naira to keep the house running. Man, December, okay, Malaysia, Nata, magic here and there, okay, Malaysia, where when the gods want to curse a man, they bring his blessings close, so close, right under his nose. Hamara no man for ya, maka. Adi amonya moma, nana moroya, ome kwelu mala, okabu ma Joseph, kenalo kabita, nadia kwako. Asim nadi amonya moma, neba moroya, ome kwelu mala, okabu ma Joseph, kenalo kabita, nadia kwako. He could walk up on the sea, he could raise the dead, do whatever he wants. Ome kwelu mala, okabu ma Joseph, kenalo kabita, nadia kwako. He could walk up on the sea, he could raise the dead, do whatever he wants. Ome kwelu mala, okabu ma Joseph, kenalo kabita, nadia kwako. Tarifi me go to this girl. Tarifi me go to this girl. Manoka nene ganya nisi. Bakanona fogi every day and night. See, in my own house, I'm a king, but in a jealous eyes, I am nothing. When the gods want to cause a man, they bring his blessings close, so close, right under his nose. Makahamara, no man for ya. Can I hear somebody? Makana diga monya muma. Nana moloya. Ome kwelu mala. Wakabo kwa Joseph. Kenalo kapita. Afia mwago. Ese na diga monya muma. Eva moloya. Ome kwelu mala. Wakabo kwa Joseph. Kenalo kapita. Afia mwago. He could walk up on the sea, he could raise the dead, do whatever he wants. Ome kwelu mala. Okabu kwa Joseph, kenalo kapita, afia mwago. Adi amonya muma, nana moloya. Ome kwelu mala. Okabu kwa Joseph, kenalo kapita.
Let's go, let's go, let's go, let's go.
Asimnadi amonya muma mancha eba moloya ome kwelu mala okabu wa Joseph onkenaro kapenta na fiambago. And he could walk up on the sea, he could raise the dead, do whatever he wants. Ome kwelu mahala okabu wa Joseph kenaro kapenta na fiambago. And you know he can talk in Jerusalem, Omezona Capernaum, can do song with his hands. Yo, 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 wa Joseph, kenalo kapenta, Jehovah, Igbo kemmo Monday na chwegu ya Adigo yegina ya na Chukwa nenye nwa and the abortion tablet na chwegu ya Adigo yegina ya na cheze. Thank you.
Can you join me? Can you join me? Can you come up? Yes, you. Please give it up for her. Please, please, a round of applause. Welcome. What's the name?
Karen.
Karen. Where are you from?
I'm originally from Canada, but I've come from Germany.
Oh, you came all the way from Germany.
Yeah.
How do you feel tonight after this experience?
Like I should be spending a lot more time in Nigeria.
Woo! Okay, so since you want to spend a lot more time in Nigeria, I think we should give her a Nigerian name, an Enugu name, an Igbo name for that matter. So what name? Okay, so they said Oluchi.
What does that mean?
Mma. Oh, he said Mma and they said Oluchi. So Oluchi means the handwork of God and Mma means beauty. So which would you go for?
Oh, the handwork of God.
The handwork of God, she says. So it's Oluchi all the way. Thank you very much, Karen. Thank you for joining.
Thank you so much for having me here. This is amazing. And thank you to the musicians for your wonderful performance. And I hope we can get an encore. Can we get an encore? Yeah.
Encore.
You're beautiful. Thank you.
Thank you very much. Thank you. Round of applause for Oluchi. All right. Thank you very much. Thank you very much, everyone who came out tonight. Thank you very much to our amazing sponsor, Amstel Malta. We say big shout outs to you. Meanwhile, wherever you are, you should go get yourself an Amstel Malta because trust me, this tastes so good and it's no cap. Also, big shout outs to Open Sheraton for the food. Very delicious food, I can tell you. So anytime you feel like chilling out, you can go hang out at Open Sheraton. Also, I want to give a big shout outs to my stylist who's got me looking this good. I mean, our sister Oluchi told me she loves this and it looks so beautiful, right? Yeah, and it's all big ups to Ubuntu Elite Styles. Please, let's give it up for him. That's why we're looking this good. I saw Balance there somewhere. I don't know why he's hiding. Yeah, but then he's responsible for the reason why we are looking this good. So you can patronize him because he has so many nice stuffs. And also to everyone who's a part of this, to Chukwu, the production team. I mean, I kind of start calling names. There are so many. Chisom, Ifunanzi, Jones, Wisdom. If I don't call some people name now, they'll beef me for office. But may I understand. Tiny, okay. Ima, Tochukwu, the MCR department, everybody. And to our amazing boss, please, a round of applause for Chief Emeka, who's actually... All right. So we do this every last Friday of the month. Find out what artists will be getting next month is December, so it's about to be a bang. Also, may I use this opportunity to invite you to my Enugu story, yes, which is happening on the 12th day of December. And it's an Afia TV thing where we celebrate creatives from this part of the world. So make sure to catch up with us as well. Also, just so you don't know already, we are live on DStv channel 254, GOtv channel 17, and on FreeTV channel 748. And also, if you are in Enugu or anywhere around and you do not listen to 99.3 Afia Radio, I have one question for you. What are you doing? What are you doing? Come on, we are the best in the city, and it's no play. Big shout outs to Rabbi, thank you very much, and to all the amazing guys. You guys are amazing. I mean, we're here all through last night rehearsing, and thank God that it actually turned out this good, and also to the dancer as well. Guys, it's been the November edition of NKA Lounge, and I have been your host with the flows, ladies and germs. They call me Choco, who don't do nothing loco, because I always stay like I'm supposed to. Until we do this again, take care of yourself, stay fly, and be good. And from me to you, it's Udo Noganiru. Meanwhile, I hear some people say they still want Rabbi to sing. So Rabbi, are you still in the spirit?
Always.
Always in the spirit. So if he's always in the spirit, and I'm always in the spirit, and you all are always in the spirit, so let's get down into the spirit. Rabbi!
Chukuni no mere mumma ana mekele chukuni no gosirim benna wagari ni mozara kemehi gosirim mozo be mumma chukua ebelogene boyo go erebebe saramba gosirim mozo asi chukua ebelogene boyo go erebebe Father,
One-stop restaurant for breakfast, continental, local, and intercontinental cuisines. At 7 Chime Avenue, New Haven, Enugu, Nigeria. Open Sheraton. Best food out of home.